What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So if you're new, make sure to subscribe for more tech and money related videos. So in this video, we'll be talking about a newly released app by Facebook Meta called Threads. So firstly, I'm going to tell you what Threads is and how it works. And secondly, I'm going to tell you on how you can gain a competitive advantage of gaining a large following or large numbers, since we are one of the first. It's a newly released app from the parent company called Facebook Meta. So if that sounds interesting, let's hop straight into the video. If you're using iOS, you download it from Apple Store. If you're using Android, you download it from Play Store. Threads, and click on it. So I'll download the app. Okay, so after successfully installing the app, you open it. So this is how the dashboard for Threads looks like. Threads is an Instagram application that has recently been released by the parent company called Facebook Meta. So this app is a competitor to Twitter. This is why the display looks very much similar to Twitter's display. So with that being said, there are 3 ways in which you can take advantage and gain a lot of numbers. So the first one is posts. An example is this. So you need to be consistent with sharing posts, and you can not only type posts, but you can also share pictures. Just an illustration, a quick one. So I'll get the same picture by Mark Zuckerberg, who is the owner of the platform, and then it can be shared just like that. If you want, you can put a caption. Like that, then you can share your post. So you have to be consistent with the posts that you share on your platform, so that the algorithm can pick up with the particular content that you are consistently sharing it, so that more traction can be attracted to your Threads account. That's the first way in which you can gain a lot of numbers on Threads, since we are one of the first to join Threads. The second is by following people who are doing a particular thing like you are doing, who are in the same niche, in short. So for instance, I do YouTube, so the person I can follow is Mr. Beast, and I'll follow him. So after following him, the reason why you're following Mr. Beast is so you can have an idea of the type of content that he's sharing. He's also doing YouTube just like I am, so I can have an idea on what exactly I'm supposed to share for the algorithm to pick type of content pick. So the third and final way is by sharing, just so your account becomes active. So for instance, Mr. Beast just shared 8 hours ago saying, "I feel like cheating on Twitter by using this app." So all I can do is simply reshare the post. Okay, and that's a simple way in which you can gain followers on Threads. And you can not only share written posts, but you can also share pictures and videos on Threads, just like I showed you earlier on. So this is how the interface of the app basically looks like. So you can like what people have posted, you can reshare posts, and so on and so forth. So that's just an overview of how Threads works. So just to run you through what has been talked about, the first way in which you can earn followers or you can gain the numbers on Threads is by sharing posts consistently. The second is by following people who are doing a particular thing you are into. So for instance, I'm doing YouTube, so the people I follow are the likes of Mr. Beast. And the third and final way is by resharing tweets, just like I showed you earlier on. This is basically it about Threads. So leave your thoughts and ideas on how you're finding Threads so far. So with that being said, thank you so much for sticking out this far. Stay safe, and I'll check you out in the next video. Peace.